Let's draw and colour in a turtle. We're going to have loads of fun with this. You start by drawing the shell, which is sort of a semicircle, then the head, a nice big eye, colouring in the pupil, a smiley mouth. Let's do the legs and the tail, some toes, and the pattern on the shell. Some sort of hexagonal shapes going on there and a couple of rectangles too. Some triangles. Right, now let's darken up the border to make those lovely colours stand out. Ooh, this is going to look really cool, I can already tell. Okay, starting with orange for the main body of the shell, so we're just using a colouring pen here, but you can use paint or whatever you wish. And we're going around the shapes. We will do those in a minute. Excellent. Did you know that turtles live all over the world? They can be found in many different climates. Some of them live on land and some in the sea, and some live on both. Let's do purple for the first shape and pink for the next one. So we're going to do a multicoloured shell. Ooh, it's going to look so cool. Red next. Turtles are some of the oldest animals around. If you've never had a turtle, you might not know just how long their lifespans can be. In general, turtles evolved millions of years ago, and as such they are among the oldest groups of reptiles. As pets, certain species of turtle can live to be 10 years old or even 150 years old. That's right. So we've got a lovely rainbow multicoloured shell here, and now we're going for a lime green for the face and body. I am loving this fantastic array of bright colours. Have fun with your turtle. You can do any pattern you like on the shell, why not? You could do spirals, hearts, stars. We're going for blue legs. And some yellow toes. I'm loving this. Good job. Hi friends, today we're going to draw two pandas in love. Hey, let's start with the girl panda. Let's draw an ear and a hair bow. Ah, lovely. Doing the outline of the face. A nose, two big eye patches with the eyes in between. So lots of oval shapes there. Don't forget the pupils, the other ear now, and a happy open mouth. Let's draw her bottom and her foot, her leg outline. Oh, this panda is so cute, don't you think? Her arm and hand, her shoulder, and her other hand is holding on to something. Ooh, there's another hand. This looks like a heart. And another foot. This is the boy panda. We're drawing the paws now. Let's do his leg. And his bottom, his arm and hand, over the heart, little bit of spiky hair there, his head. Let's do a nose, the eyes, kind of mirroring the girl panda's features, and a mouth. They're both very happy because they're in love. The ears, his neck and shoulder, finishing the heart, some rosy cheeks, finishing touches, inside of the ears, and finally some cute little tails. There, Let's shade in the outer border. Just make it more black, more thick. And the eye patches and nose and mouths. And the arms and hands. And the legs and the paws. And the outer ears and tail. So that's all black. There, let's use some pink for her hair bow. We got to look pretty for our loved one, haven't we? Ooh, what a pretty pink hair bow it is. And some pink rosy cheeks to match. She's blushing, blushing with love. And a red heart, the colour of love. We're using wonderful colouring pens here with nice fine tips. Easy to get around those borders so that we don't go over anything we don't want to. Going around the hands and the arms, keeping within the heart border. That bright red colour really does stand out fantastically against the black, doesn't it? Very effective. Just going around the bottom edge and the feet. And then shading it in, line at a time. It's that easy, just like painting it on, but with a pen. And we're almost done with our gorgeous Valentine's panda bears holding a heart. Ah. Hey kids, guess what? We're going to draw a dinosaur today. That's right. Ooh, let's start with the eyes. 2 small circles, 2 little arch eyebrows, a gorgeous bobbly hat. Now for the main body. And the legs and the neck. Feet, tummy. There. Bit of detail. That's right. Good job. And some stripes on the hat. Rosy cheeks, smiley mouth, nostrils. And you can't have a party without balloons, because I think it's this dino's birthday today. Fantastic! There! A little bit of flowery detail. Wow, what would you like to put on your dinosaur? Maybe some hearts, maybe some stars. Right, let's paint. Gold first, for the bubble on our hat. And now we're going to do the stripes, multicoloured of course. I do love his party hat. Red tongue. Turquoise for the last stripe. Now let's go for some pink rosy cheeks. And flowers. There. Green next for the main body. Do you know much about dinosaurs? Can you think of any dinosaur names? How about T-Rex? How about Stegosaurus? Brachiosaurus? Can you think of any others? Pterodactyl? There were flying dinosaurs, swimming dinosaurs, walking dinosaurs, meat-eating dinosaurs, leaf-eating dinosaurs, just so many different types. There. Gold tummy. And brown toes. We'll do yellow for the centre of our flowers. Right, time to colour our balloons, starting with red. Ooh, lovely. And yellow. What colour shall we do our third balloon? How about purple? What a great colour. And done. And turquoise just for the finishing touches. Voila! You have one beautiful, party-tastic baby dinosaur. Ah. Hey kids, guess what this is? That's right, it's a whale. That's what we're going to be drawing and painting today. Let's start with the outline. There, time to do some detail. The tummy, the fin. Now we do the stripes, curvy stripes. Our facial features, rosy cheeks. And the water that comes out of the hole. 3 drops, lovely. Ready to paint. Starting with turquoise blue, we're going to paint the main body of our gorgeous whale. Have you ever seen a whale? How about in the movies? Can you think of any stories which have whales in them? How about Jonah and the whale? You know, where he's eaten by the whale and he survives in the whale's belly for a very long time and then escapes. How about Free Willy, the one who gets to go home to his family in the ocean? So we're painting very carefully around our facial features. And done! A little splash of water can be turquoise too. Pink now. Rosy cheeks, of course. Let's go for purple while we do our little water hole and one of our stripes. Green next. We're going to do a gorgeous rainbow tummy. Why not? Excellent. Let's go for yellow. What colours will you use to paint your whale's belly? Red? Brilliant. There you have it. A gorgeous rainbow sparkly whale. Just bobbing up and down in the deep blue sea. Wow. Hey kids, how are you today? Would you like to draw and paint a sparkly squirrel with me? You would? Brilliant! We'll start by using a black pen to draw the outline. I'm going to do a foot and the leg, the arm, fingers, tummy. Squirrel's holding a nut, so we draw that too. The other foot. Facial features, the eye, nose and mouth. The other ear. And finally, a big bushy tail. That's right, we've got to have a big bushy tail on a squirrel. Curvy lines. And done! Brilliant! Time to paint. Let's go with yellow first of all. We're going to paint our squirrel lovely and yellow. Look at that. I do say, Mr. Squirrel, it looks fantastic with your blue eyes. Carefully painting with a small tipped paintbrush in between the black boundary lines. Painting the main body, so that's the face, the ears, the arms, the back, the legs. And, of course, the feet. You're doing really well. Keep going. Almost there. Done! Going for gold. The inside of the ear, around the mouth, and, of course, the nut. Let's do the tummy the same colour too. Excellent. Going for black this time. We're going to paint the nose. And then brown for the nutshell. Time for a colourful tail, starting with pink for the first segment. Our squirrel has a lovely stripy tail. Yes, what next? How about purple? I love purple. And purple and pink are like brother and sister, you know. They just go so well together. And done! Last but not least, we're going for bright green because it's really good to have some contrast, don't you think? Excellent! Well done, kids. You did a great job. Go on, go along and eat that gnat. Yummy.
Subscribe and watch more.